welcome back to Family's Kitchen. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to cook Kolo Mee. What is Kolo Mee? Kolo Mee is a very popular Chinese dish in Malaysia, especially in Kuching, the capital city of Sarawak. To cook this Kolo Mee, we need 4 important ingredients. The first one is the lard, we also call pork oil, the shallot oil, pork mince, and also the Charsiu pork. You can refer to my previous video to see how the Charsiu pork is cooked. This is pork fat. You can get this from Asian butcher to produce lard. I normally make a whole batch and store in the fridge up to 3 months. This can be used for stir fry and baking, especially in pastry. First, cook the fat without adding any oil. Occasionally stir the lard to avoid pieces sticking to pan. After cooking for about 5 to 10 minutes, the fat has now started to release the oil. Keep an eye on the lard and quickly remove them when they turn golden brown. Then with a strainer, drain it over to a bowl. Our pork lard is now ready. Do not throw away this pork crackling because it is so nice to be eaten, and you can use this to cook your vegetables, to stir fry, and then to cook your Hokkien noodles. It will be so delicious. Did you hear the crackling sound? We are now preparing second element, which is the shallot oil. First, peel the shallot and slice thickly to ensure even cooking. When the oil is heated, add the sliced shallots and fry over medium heat and stir occasionally. When the shallots start to turn brown, turn off the heat and let the shallots to stay in the hot oil for a few minutes. The time is only approximation because it really depends on the amount of shallot you use and the temperature of oil. It is important to pay attention at this stage because you don't want the shallot to get burned. When all turn golden brown, remove it from the heat and drain with a strainer. This is our fried shallot oil, and this is the crispy golden shallots. It smells really nice. Pork mince is our third element of Kolo Mee. I have marinated the mince an hour before with a tablespoon soy sauce, a quarter teaspoon of salt, and a pinch of white pepper. Our ingredients are now ready and we can start cooking our noodles. While the water is being boiled, we can prepare the sauce for the noodles. 1 tablespoon of lard, 1 tablespoon of shallot oil, a tablespoon of soy sauce, a teaspoon of salt, and a pinch of white pepper. There are a few variety of sides that you can add, and my favorite one is fish ball. Here we will blanch some fish ball and Taiwanese bok choy. Our water is now boiling. Normally we use the handmade noodles in Sarawak, and this is the closest one that I can find in Australia. The noodle is a little bit curly, like this. It's dry noodles.
Boil the noodle until it is soft. Then quickly blanch the noodle in the room temperature water for about 5 seconds. And back in the boiling water again for another 10 seconds.
Now we can start plating. And finally sprinkle some spring onion. In Kuching, people will eat together with the pickled chilies. If you want to know how to make these pickled chilies, please refer to the description box below. Hot shot! Oh, sorry guys, what did I say? Sorry, I just speak some Hokkien because that's the language that I spoke with my dad in Sarawak. Look at the cameraman, he's hungry. Guys, I finished my Kolo Mee. I'm so satisfied now, including the chili pickles. It's yummy. Well guys, if you like my Malaysian cooking video today, please support me by liking my video and subscribe to my channel so that I can bring more Malaysian food in the future. I'll see you next time. Bye!